The initial step involves analyzing the dataset, which contains vital information about billionaires, including their respective industries and countries of origin. This foundational data serves as a roadmap for the subsequent phases of dashboard creation. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, play an essential role in highlighting significant statistics such as the total number of billionaires and their average net worth. These metrics offer a concise overview of the dataset's relevance. Furthermore, visual elements like charts greatly enhance the dashboard's interactivity. They enable users to filter and sort data efficiently, thereby facilitating a clearer understanding of trends and comparisons within the presented information. Analyzing net worth in relation to age uncovers intriguing patterns and relationships, thereby enriching the interpretation of financial data. This approach adds depth to the analysis of individual wealth. Similarly, dissecting net worth by industry reveals which sectors demonstrate higher profitability. This insight can inform investment strategies and career trajectories based on industry performance. Moreover, the thoughtful use of shapes and colors in dashboards significantly enhances their visual appeal and user engagement. Such design choices simplify data interpretation and navigation for viewers. Power BI streamlines data cleaning and transformation processes, serving as crucial steps before crafting effective visualizations. Its comprehensive tools facilitate the preparation of data for in-depth analysis. The significance of DAX, or data analysis expressions, within Power BI cannot be understated. It empowers users to construct intricate formulas that unlock deeper insights, making understanding DAX pivotal for robust data modeling. Real-world case studies, such as developing dashboards for Nike and McDonald's, exemplify the practical applications of Power BI. These instances bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and real-world business scenarios. Adjusting chart elements, including legends and gridlines, enhances readability and directs attention to key data points. These modifications contribute to a more streamlined visual layout. Sorting data in descending order clarifies comparisons across categories, making it easier to identify emerging trends and patterns within the visual analysis. Incorporating slicers into the dashboard elevates interactivity, allowing users to dynamically filter data based on specific criteria, such as region and gender. Customizing slicers enhances the dashboard's aesthetics, making it visually attractive and coherent with the overall design. Thoughtful style choices can significantly improve user interaction. Linking slicers to multiple pivot tables facilitates dynamic data updates throughout the dashboard. This connection ensures that any changes in one section are reflected across the entire dashboard. Finally, implementing navigation links within the dashboard simplifies user movement between various sections. This feature may incorporate links to data tabs or even external contacts like email addresses.